When your favorite river is jam-packed with anglers or your local creek is blown out from runoff, what are you supposed to do? You just pack it in, order some wings, and watch YouTube videos of other people fly fishing? Of course not. Instead, you can switch things up and head to the nearest lake or pond. Now, I know fishing a lake can feel daunting. Do you need a different rod, different flies, a float tube, a sinking line? And when you get to the lake, where in the heck do you find those fish? Well, I promise those questions have fairly simple answers, and you can be successful on lakes with the same gear that you use on rivers. This week on Untangled, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know so you can approach lakes with confidence.